is an excellent fun learning experience for us because it has given us the highest form of learning, that is, to create. We have created various types of toys within a span of half an hour.
We all have enjoyed toy making competition, which is a new idea included in our list of competitions. The important aspect of this competition was to see how we create different toys using the things available in our home.
Recreational toy making was really a wonderful experience because it took our minds beyond the textbook. We really enjoyed making the toys and we made the toys keeping in mind our environment because the materials used were environment friendly. Judges and teachers enjoyed playing various games and toys made by us.
Hello everyone, this is Arfa from class 10th A, a student of Greenwood School. Today, our school conducted an activity where we make recreational toys with recycled materials. This activity made sure that the students of this school had to use their creative minds and made sure that we could use the waste materials at our home.